As mentioned in the Lab 4 spec, I myself have written a lot of ugly code in my time. So let's take a trip down memory lane and open up this program. So this is the IDE I used to use in high school. It's got a nice color scheme, as you can see. I think I put it together myself. I don't know exactly why I wrote this. I have a vague memory of this. I mean, I was 16 and I'm 35 now, so it's been a while. But basically, it was supposed to simulate like a database software. And this just, I mean, it's pretty amazing. There's a lot of very repetitive code. There's, lots of hard coding everywhere, things repeated lots of places. And so let's just try running this puppy. So it's called knaveos. And you can type in something, you get this like, attention, this is a private system, yada, yada. And when you try and type in a login, well, you get stars, or different colors. Try again, uh-oh. Connection closed, access denied. Okay, well, luckily I hard-coded everything, so I can just look up the password, I think. Let's try and find it. It's been a while since I used this thing. AGG3HON is the password. Is that also the username? I guess so. Okay. Oops. Okay, knaveos. AGG3HON. All right, we're in. Okay, so I say help. That's a pretty good prompt, actually. Dash equals triple equal. Let's bring that back. So I had a friend, Jonathan Waltz, who we were really... one of the reasons I got really into programming is because Jonathan and I, we spent so much time writing programs to kind of impress each other and just push the limits of what were possible. Jonathan was always definitely better than me. The holy grail was to get a rotating cube, and I remember when eventually he did. So I guess I have nath note. Why? Okay. Anyway, so I do help. I could do load current. Okay. And then I could do edit, I guess. And now I can, well, load basic. Okay, edit. Aha, here we go. So now I have a bunch of just made up data where you can scan your way through. And this is how user interfaces used to look, actually. So I built this thing where you can look at all of your employees. Can you edit things? Yes, 190. Okay, so I guess that's stored now. Yeah, so those are all my folks. These are my employee records. Yeah, pretty fun. Okay. So that's, I guess, what I did with my spare time at some point. What's note? Oh, same. It's the same as nath note. Why are there two? Okay, who knows? Anyway, so you got the basic idea. Database program, kind of cool. Not the most fun, maybe. I wrote other cooler things. I won't go over them in this video. Well, I guess, oh, there's the code for the disco person. But yeah, basically, the point here is that this is just a horrible mess. It's over 1,000 lines, and my goodness, if only I'd known about helper functions, I could have saved myself a lot of trouble. I guess I will show one cool one. I always like this. Wait, what's it called? Grow. All right, grow 351. No, grow 3-51. Okay. Go. All right, so some dots appear, and they slowly grow, and they're in competition. And there's a neat feature where the chance that a dot will consume another dot is proportional to how many more of its color there are. And so you can see, for example, I don't have a mouse, but in the bottom left corner, this light blue color, he's probably not going to do well. He'll eventually just get consumed by his bigger neighbors. Yeah, so, oops. Well, I don't know what I just did.